Export your emails and attachments to Osprey Approach with integrated time recording on the move with the Office 365 add-in for Outlook. Email correspondence forms a significant part of any matter history. Our Office 365 add-in is the easiest and fastest way to export emails and attachments to the matter history from Outlook. The Outlook app for mobile and tablet devices is a familiar way to manage your emails on the move. Now, with 2 taps, our add-in is available on your mobile device too. Export emails to Osprey wherever you are in a matter of seconds, with the option to simultaneously record time. Why not take advantage of the built-in voice dictation on your mobile device to speed up the process even further? It's easy to install the add-in from within Outlook by simply searching for the Osprey Approach add-in and installing it with one click. If you already use the Office 365 add-in, it will be available on your mobile device automatically. You can use our add-in on any device that runs Outlook, for example, your Windows or Mac computers, and mobile devices running iOS or Android. Manage your emails and matters on the go with Osprey Approach.